How to delete one photo from multiple photos on Instagram. In this video, I'll show you step by step on how to delete one picture from multiple pictures on Instagram. After you open your Instagram app like this, now as you can see now I posted this post to these images. As you can see now, there are two images, this one and this one. So now if I want to delete, I can see now this one. Now I'll show you how to do it. After you open your Instagram, now tap on your profile at the bottom right side. After you open your profile, now go and locate the post. As you can see, here is the post. Now tap on it. After you open the post, as you can see now, here is the post, here is the first one and here is the second one. So now I want to delete the first one, this one. So to delete the first one, all you have to do now, tap on this three dot at the top right side. After you tap on the three dot, now tap on this, as you can see now, edit. After you tap on this edit, as you can see now Instagram gives you some options. The first one is, as you can see now, you can be able to edit the caption of the post, as you can see now. And the second one, you can be able to add like tag people, and you can be able to edit text or alt text. And you can be able, as you can see now at the top, you can be able to add like add partner label, and you can be able to change the location of the post. But for now, there is no any option for you to change or to delete one of these posts, one of these images that you posted on your Instagram account after you already posted. But now I'll show you the possible method to do that. All you have to do now, tap on this cancel button. After you tap on this cancel button, now tap on this three dot again. So now all you have to do now, go ahead and tap on this archive button. So now if you tap on this archive button, now if you tap on this back, as you can see now, arrow. So now as you can see now the post has disappeared. Now I hide the post on my Instagram account. No one can be able to see the post. Now you can go ahead and upload one picture or one photos that you want to add on your Instagram account. That's the only way you can do it. You can just go ahead and archive the post, all of it, and after you archive the post, you can go ahead and upload the one that you want to post. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe.